I gotta get this off my chest, girl.
I'll forgive you for anything you do, but bitch, if you tell on a nigga, you tore up out here. Fuck you, yeah.
But y'all don't appreciate my presence.
Hey, when I put it on your lip potty, I should've spit on him when I finished, you heard me?
Switch like a pussy little bitch.
If you my nigga, then I'm your killer. Nobody gon' play with you when I'm with you. I ain't gon' lie, since you left my side, got more security with you. You my little son, your name at the gate in my estate. If you don't remember, slept on the floor and shared the space where I lay down and play my children. Out of that bands, I'm playing with millions, but I can't lie and say I don't miss you. Knowing that I'm him, album flop deep down inside, got major resentment. Treated unfair when I went to prison, but I'm prepared to speak on the issue. Unresolved, the family dealings, passing it from past experience. Media painted a narrative to all the fans, a lot of the facts was missing. Jamie Lucas came to my aid when I got remained, went back to prison. How do you explain when you and your spouse engaged in illegitimate business? They was all happy when I was on drugs, but I sobered up, I'm paying attention. Shit on my name gave me a blemish. Your mother done turned my little ones against me. Bought her a truck when I was away and can't explain the way I'm feeling. Her and her son jumped my new wife and took a person. Won't admit it, personal training invaded my personal place deep down inside it killed me. Her and this nigga that schemed me out some cake deep down inside it killed me. Criticized when I was fatuous, I developed some insecurities. Got on that Adderall in the gym 3 times a day. How I got skinny, got on that alcohol, which kinda helped me block out all my symptoms. Nobody noticing when I'm suffering, playing perfect while on Insta. Tried to tell the world what I'm juggling, left subliminals on Twitter. Beto tried to tell me just focus, hold it together, but I'm slipping. His brother lied, the money back, yo, that's still my brother, but we just distant. Always love when he be shining, remind me of Miser when he glistening. Boo dirty, kept it player, we fell out and he forgive me. Curb boy, tried to warm me, swear to God, wish I'd have listened. Jeff Perry, you know I'm sorry, you know I love you, I should've listened. Took the lick, made me feel guilty, I went back and tried to fix it. Still was playing on my little temper, trying to manipulate my mental. I'm in that 70805 where I post up in the trenches. Told it Tank, Deanne, Linnell, and Tony, don't let nobody kill me. Cold-hearted, Woodland Hill, stuffing that dick and bundle of Brittany. We had a real infatuation with one another, but no commitment. You know I was turned up with the cartel and wasn't agreeing with how I was living. So she went made a safer choice and had a baby with her new nigga. Now she say she made a mistake deep down in her heart, wasn't really in it. We was laid up, I ain't answered when they hit and lost the shipment. Pour my heart out, I made fly again. You hurt me, I'm out the picture. Stressing about me during your pregnancy, your baby, and I resent. Went home to sleep, deep down is tension when you knowing it's something missing. Suck it up, put all my energy back in the Eastland. Lit killer took the blame in interviews and made it look like I was tripping. Made the Drinker song lie to the world while trying to protect her image. Tell me you love me, I say it back of my mind. Now I'm indifferent. Brought this infiltrator to the farm, hurt my heart. What am I missing? You a man, step out your bedroom, see that standing in your kitchen, taking vids of all your cars and land and go to posting pictures. Told them I don't wanna interfere with her fitness, bitch. I'm different. I'm romantically involved in Virginia. Me and Rennie took a shahada, became Muslim. All of the men was in attendance. The shadow of la ilaha illallah, Muslim. I bear witness on my mind. Ain't mean to waste your time, but I'm still on my grizz. That other guy could make you happy, cause he could give what I can't give you. Ruby Rose, I can't wait to have your feet facing my ceiling, with my tongue deep in your ass while I kiss all on your kitty. Put that dick deep in your back and make you come all on this missile. Put your hands behind your back and smack your ass, I'm in your kidneys. Ain't no disrespect to Jigga, meant through Nipsey, that's my nigga. Don't know if they in the swing of Beyonce, need to let me hit her. Make her piss all on this dick respectfully, her body shiver. I want Nikki, she need Kevin, she still playing around with Kenneth. Only ones that shout me out was being 10 and Frederick Givens. Everybody that come around take my style and try to steal it. Knowing that I make mine smile, I don't buy down, I'm rocking glitter. Neighborhoods, you pay $250, they put switches on your glizzy. Free Lil Main, free be stupid, dump truck and free be jizzle. Free my Lucha and Lee Lucas, Paul Bread and Corey Miller. Told him Dolph ain't never dead, I'm in the booth, he right here with me. Disrespect me, I'ma dive off in your dentures like your dentist. Times I feel like Kodak Black, I go to calling all my spirit. Then I jump out in all black, my feathers in, I'm representing. I don't do no ultimatums, I done grew into my vision. I am God in the flesh and I'm above your intuition. I go hard by myself and I don't need no supervision. Hair on floor, I'm in control and I got power like I'm 50.
What you want me to say? Cause I don't wanna talk deep, yeah, man. You know it sound with me. If I offended anybody, hey, please forgive me, I'm so not sorry. You want smoke, just keep it between me and you to get that pronto. You heard me? They said smoke in the air behind the kept, you heard me?
Ooh, you had to know it. Ooh, you had to know it. What you doing? Too many snakes in my grass, yeah, I had to mow it. Too much lean in my soda, you know I had to mow it. Rubber bands in my hands, shorty playing, I had to know it. I be tricking on the bed, yeah, you had to know it. Engine rolling, ooh, you had to know it. I'm a soldier, ooh, you had to know it. Too many snakes in my grass, yeah, I had to mow it. Time to go get what I'm owed. Get low, you had to know it. I'm a professional, she fell in love in the bed. She let her heart get the best of her. All that she spread, dope what I do to her legs. Like the cocaine, I be stretching. I been hurting, you would know the half. I'm a snake and she ain't mow the grass. Guards down, now I'm on her ass. Credit card, I'm maxing out a gas. Drop top, bird, do the dash. Breadwinner, yeah. In the jag, my little brother, yeah, she let him smash. Ain't too many we ain't really had. Stack it to the ceiling, do what you supposed to do. Watch everybody that you keeping close to you. Fuck over you bad and won't nobody notice. My heart up the raise, ain't nothing disposable. Gave her my all, went to war, I've been scarred. Dealt with a broad and she played with my heart. Played on my friends, not protecting my car. They would all say they was playing they part. Came from the bottom, we aim for the stars. Won't shoot in the air, it's like playing with God. Bitch, what up? What up? Too many snakes in my grass, yeah, I had to mow it. Too much lean in my soda, you know I had to mow it. Rubber bands in my hands, shorty playing, I had to know it. I be tricking on a bed, yeah, you had to know it. Engine rolling, ooh, you had to know it. I'm a soldier, ooh, you had to know it. Too many snakes in my grass, yeah, I had to mow it. Time to go get what I'm owed. Get though, you had to know it. Climbing for a striving, I'm a grinder. Real view, watching what's behind you. Peripheral, watching what's on side you. Close home is just as a reminder. You can smoke, just don't let it blind you. These scriptures, what I'm telling Gaza. Don't let nobody know that you a monster. Keep it on the tuck and then surprise them. Oh shit, let them think you.
Bring this tire in a click. Let's see how she drives. How's it driving? Straight? Look at that. Well, we gotta adjust that alignment. Like I said, it's towed out slightly on this right side, but it's feeling smooth. And the same car. Days later? Like 2-3 days later. Well, we didn't work on 4th of July, so. But it's driving good, bro. You back on the road.
Test the tire sensor.
Yeah, so there was a TPMS sensor. It might be damaged. And traction controllers because we don't have the wheel hub sensor hooked up right now. But she's driving good, no noises. She's, pretty smooth, only slightly pulling to the right because we need to bring in the tie rod another turn or two. But hey, how's she feel? Yeah? Happy to be back on the road. It took 2 hot days to fix the car, getting all the parts, removing all the bad ones, and replacing the new ones for about $400. Afterwards, we went out and had a good ass time on the boat to celebrate. Yo, we big lit.
Chilling, smoking bowl,
Big
on the
lit.
water.
Out here on the water.
Got 2 cup holders, big chilling.
Got the oar.
What you know about fishing?
Got the poles.
What you know about fishing?
We having a good time out here. What you know about fishing?